For your broking segment, you would be empaneled with most of the large domestic institutional investors as well. What trends are you seeing there? Is there still a flood of redemptions and continuous selling expected from that side as well?
That's a difficult thing because some of the fund managers have gone on to much higher levels of cash. Some of them are seeing some redemptions, but there are fund managers who are also seeing some fresh inflow. So it's all mixed basket, and net inflow is very limited into mutual funds. So I think once the retail revival happens in the secondary market, even the mutual fund, because lots of mutual fund schemes have done brilliantly in last 1 year. They've beaten the market, they're all-time new high. For investors, there are a lot of products in the market which they must choose if they want to participate in the market.
What have you made of earnings season so far, Ramdeo? Are you happy with what you've seen for the first 2 weeks?
Yeah, earnings are coming out. Quite a few of them have beaten our expectations. So these are early times in the sense that good results typically come in the beginning of the session. So we will get some bad results also at the fag end of the earnings month. But I think per se we are feeling that results will be stronger than our expectation this quarter.
Autos have been very good across the board. Do you think valuations capture all the upside, or you think there's more headroom even for prices to go up after looking at the numbers that you've seen delivered from the likes of Bajaj Auto, Ashok Leyland, etc.?
I think if this 8.5%, 9% story continues, particularly tremendously good monsoon we have on our back, I think we are going to see good traction in the economic growth, and hence automotive growth is likely to continue, particularly two-wheelers or every segment of it, cars, because you have commodity prices up, which is going to fuel again further the rural prosperity. Now this time the volume as well as the price. So I think the rural prosperity will get another booster this year. So my sense is that automotive demand will be very good, all segments, and there is a scope for further appreciation in next 12 months in this segment.
Today, ACC and Ambuja announced results, and numbers are not expected to be good, Ramdeo. Do you think it's too early to get into cement, playing for 1 year forward from here or 6 months forward, or you would be a contrarian investor?
No, I would definitely like to see the results. It is expected to be pretty bad. I know in last 2-3 weeks there is a complete turnaround in the cement demand. Companies are witnessing much better demand situation than what they had in the last 3 months. But despite that turnaround, the stock prices are not that cheap. Somehow because of the bullishness in the market or whatever, this time despite collapse in the earnings in this quarter, the cement stock prices have not actually come down. In fact, they have appreciated. So it's a kind of a dilemma. So whatever cement positions I'm holding, I'm carrying on, but fresh buying we can think only after seeing the results.
Thanks, Ramdeo, for joining in with your thoughts on the market and your own earnings.